I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at some Post-its from the Post-it Note Bright Colors pack. So this is a great pack. You get 24 of these little individual packages of Post-it notes, and they come in these really bright, vibrant colors. So you get oranges, you get greens, and in this case you get a purple color. So not just the standard old-fashioned kind of yellow color you get with Post-its. These are really vibrant. You can color code. You can do charts that are color-coded with the different Post-its if that's what you like, or you can just choose whatever color you feel like using on a given day. One nice thing with these is that it's the kind of forward opening. It's not the accordion opening ones, what you would use in a Post-it dispenser. So if you just want a simple pad of Post-its to take a note and have on your desk, and then just pull one of the notes off, you can easily do that. These are also, even though they are the bright colors, they're fully recyclable. So that's really great. As you use these, you can recycle them, and it's a pretty eco-friendly way to take a note. And they also have this super sticky aspect. So unlike the traditional Post-its, they're about 2 times the sticking power. They hold up really well over time, I find. You can see these stick really well to pretty much any surface. So really great pack. I really like the vibrant colors with this. Just adds a little creativity and flair. And also, if you're into color coding things with Post-its, again, it's a great option for doing that too.